Hi, Rob Fontano here with Fort Myers Vapor. Welcome back to our how-to series. Today we're going to take a quick look at the widely used and often misused Clearomizer. I'll show you some tips on filling and care and help you get the best vape out of your Clearomizer. So let's take a look at a Clearomizer. This is an Atmos Clearomizer. Atmos is the company that Fort Myers Vapor uses for their electronic cigarette batteries and their Clearomizers. We find that they perform much better than most of the Clearomizers that are out there on the market. So if you have experienced buying Clearomizers that every third one or more is a dud, you won't find that experience with the Atmos Clearomizer. The Atmos Clearomizer here, you've got two wicks. And under that rubber hood there is the heating coil or atomizer. So the wicks draw the liquid up into the heating coil. When you press the button, it heats, turns the e-liquid into vapor, and that's what you're inhaling. So take off this rubber piece here for packing. And then you have a mouthpiece, which just easily screws right off. And as you can see down the center, you've got a hole right down the center. That's where the vapor comes out. You want to avoid getting liquid into that hole when you fill it. So all you'll do is drip the liquid down the side of the Clearomizer, fill it to just about the top of the wick. I really don't like to fill them much higher than that. You don't want that heating element. You don't want the atomizer swimming in liquid. So almost to the top of the wick is ideal for a great vape. You also don't want to let your liquid dry up completely in a Clearomizer. That will also shorten the life. So if you've dried out your Clearomizer and there's almost no liquid in there, even if the wicks are still wet and you keep vaping on it, you're not feeding the Clearomizer fresh e-liquid, and eventually you'll start getting that burnt taste, that metallic taste that everybody hates, and you'll also shorten the life of your Clearomizer. So let's go ahead and fill our Clearomizer. Like I said, the center hole is where the vapor comes out of, and you want to avoid getting liquid in that hole. Let's get some of our Fort Myers Vapor Moz Apple Pie e-liquid. It's a favorite here, a new liquid for us, and everyone seems to love it. Got a nice thin tip on the top of our bottles, easy to add liquid. The bottles are a little bit rigid, so you don't have to worry about squeezing too hard and getting all that liquid coming out at you at once. So we're going to hold the Clearomizer at about a 45-degree angle, stick the tip in, hold it toward the wall of the Clearomizer, and then just squeeze, and as you can see, the liquid's draining down the side of the Clearomizer. Just pulse it. Okay, and on a first fill, the wicks are going to start absorbing a lot of that liquid. And again, you want to fill it a little bit more right up to the top of the wick. And there we are, perfect. Add our mouthpiece back on, slide it straight in, and turn it just until it's snug. And that mouthpiece will seal right up against that rubber boot there. Take our Atmos battery and then screw the Clearomizer on. And as with all electronic cigarettes, it doesn't have to be over tightened, just snug, finger tight, and there you go. You've got a nice full Clearomizer. Enjoy your vape. Thank you again for joining us in our how-to series. There's more videos to come, so stay tuned and keep vaping.